So we can say the Vertex offers plenty of study material when you go and get registered. When you contact us and get registered on any of our courses, we will provide you a customized study plan. This we are the only one who are providing this customized automation study plan. Then because there are students around the globe contact us. Some of you are from like working background, the working professionals, some are the full-time students, so different requirement is needed. No? So you can just make a study plan that you can study more at the weekends and less on the weekdays or whatever. So we will help you to create your customized study plan. You can also create on your own video lectures are there, complete study, course coverage, assignments, tip practice sessions, the live like you can just get a chance to come online and we can just do practice questions. I can help you to just like in some such like some questions to practice. I can like the tutor come online. Tutors come online twice in a week. They tell you that how to do a particular question. You can ask in the live chat or like just like that I'm talking right now. We also provide the recorded lectures and then also the Zoom meeting sessions, the kid practice. We help our students to score well, to understand that particular, because maybe when you're watching the recording, there are some particular areas that you are facing difficulty. You can just also write the like on WhatsApp. You can ask questions. We can send you a voice note. We can send you typing a message. We'll guide you like throughout your ACC journey. We give the WhatsApp support. We also give the online sessions twice in a week. You can come online. You can just talk to your tutor, and if you any particular area you are facing difficulty, the teacher will again explain that topic, and then they can also tell you that these are the practice questions and this is how this particular questions you should approach. And then complete study notes, VLS study notes. When you study when you do so VLS study notes, you read. You don't need other publishers like BBB Kaplan are not needed, only VLS book we are providing the VLS study notes here written. Otherwise, VLS book we are providing that you can study. Quizzes very important. Like it say that 17 chapters are there. You start with chapter one. You watch the video lessons. You watch the practice questions that how to approach this question, and then you will also see the quizzes after every chapter. At the end of the chapter, you will find a quiz. You can attempt that quiz. You can see your score. If you are scoring well, you can move forward to the next chapter. Otherwise, if you are not scoring well, you can revise, because this is the flexibility of online that you can study on your pace. You can watch the video recording as much as you can, as like there is no restriction. Then the two final mocks would be given to you. So when you do and complete the complete syllabus with Vertex, and eventually you attempt the final mocks, so obviously you are going to get the good score. And we just wish all our students to pass with flying colors. And most of the students pass their papers with flying colors. And this is the thing. And I can also tell one thing, that yeah, online studying I was just talking about. If you compare physical classes with the online, obviously online have more benefits, not just because I'm providing the online classes, the Vertex is providing the online classes, that's why I'm saying so. Obviously you need to realize that it saves your cost. If you want to just reach towards your online your physical institute, there would be a lot of traffic. You need to face that, you need to spend some time to reach there, and obviously there would be a cost, the transportation cost. Here if you are studying on your own piece, that at your home, you can just need to come online. You need to bear only the internet expense, otherwise it's very easy to study. And obviously when you are going to take physical classes, that if you can miss class, so the tutors will not provide you the recordings. And if you are just talking to them on WhatsApp, if you have the tutor's number, you are asking questions, so they can ask you the please Just respect our privacy. Don't send our messages on WhatsApp. Don't ask me. Whenever you have any query, you need to reach towards the center, and then an institute you need to ask. But we provide the online, so obviously anytime we get the 24 hours WhatsApp support. Whenever the tutor is available, if you write, sometimes we respond instantly, sometimes we take time, but within a few hours, your query is responded by us. So obviously, we provide the online support, we provide the WhatsApp support, so it's very flexible, and more and more people are coming to online study. And here there's a benefit of quizzes, automations, because when you are studying physically, if there is they also provide the quizzes. You are just reaching to that institute, and maybe there is a place of 20 students or 40 students to sit in a computer lab and then just do the quizzes. But here provide the quizzes. So like thousands of the students who are just studying with Vertex, they can just use the quizzes system at their own pace. You should have a laptop when you're studying online, or if you do not have, still the mobile or tablet also work. You can just watch the video lectures, and using your phone also you can just attempt quizzes, right? So there are a lot of benefits, and if you compare the fee, the physical classes also uh, demand higher fee, because they give you a building, they give you a place. There is a lot of cost, the electricity cost, the air conditioning cost, the furniture cost. A lot of things are involved in the cost is attached. The overheads are associated with the physical institute, but actually these overhead costs we do not include in our online fee. So if you think about it is also the budget friendly. So this is it for today. Thank you for joining us. And you can see on a screen, this is our phone number. You can take a screenshot or write, and you can contact us on WhatsApp. This is VLS's official WhatsApp number, and this is the VLS website, Vertex Learning Solutions, vls-online.com, and this is our official email address. If you have any query related to any course, you can just send us email. And I tell you one thing, that when you just check our website, you can also get the demo lectures, and you can just watch the demo lectures. And then if you decide to enroll to Vertex Learning Solutions in any of applied knowledge or any other course, you can please contact, and I would love to give you another class, and I would love to see students coming to my next Zoom meeting. And then whatever the syllabus I discussed, uh, I'm going to discuss in quite detail. Thank you so very much for joining us today. Thanks.